I hate those videos where they're like, oh, I'm gonna change your life. This could be one of those situations. I have so many people who are reaching out to me saying, I need to find something that is going to increase my portfolio balance. I need to figure this out because of XYZ. And I told you, it doesn't matter who's president. It doesn't matter if there's war. It doesn't matter if there's famine. It doesn't matter if the market is up, if it's down, if it's meaning bear, or if it is bull. You can make money with this, but you need to understand how to master the trade. And I created this specific masterclass for you. And you know what? This isn't not even what this is about, but I'm showing you exactly where you can access this, okay? So here is the deal. This is literally the most profitable strategy because 9 out of 10 times you are going to be in the money when those 5 seconds expire. And it's so simple. We see this all over the place. And this is an OTC strategy. So you're going to get hit 92% on every single trade, okay? And another thing is, don't be reaching out to me saying, oh, this is not working. And I also didn't mark up my chart. I didn't draw my lines. I didn't mark my support and resistance zones. I didn't do my trend lines. I didn't, I'm fighting the trend, blah, blah, blah. Because those are the actual rules that are going to allow you to prosper, okay? This is very simple. I have literal rules, okay? When the CCI is up, boom, it goes up. And the Williams goes down. Boom, look right there, is down, CCI is up. That is when we go for a trade for 5 seconds. It is a buy. It is so simple. We also have the opposite when the CCI is down and the Williams is up. Right here, it's right here. Look at this, boom. And we have another, I'm telling you, you see this all over the place, okay? I have very simple rules, but look, right here, CCI is down. Williams is up, and what happened? It pulled down, and it pulled down so strongly that it created a long wick. That's not a wick because of resistance. It's a wick because it was like, and it pulled down, okay? And at the end of it, yeah, we bounced up just a little bit and we came across and then we went down again, okay? But the entire point here is that we have rules. And when you execute based on these rules, you are going to be able to be in the money. And I explain everything inside this masterclass. We have the resources where I show you how you can profit with just three out of 9 trades. And I also have all of the rules right here, okay? It is so simple. And I broke it down with video, not just my words, okay? So if you are worried about how you are going to feed your kids, you're worried about how you're going to pay your rent, you're worried about, or maybe even your mortgage or your property taxes or whatever it is, guess what? I have something for you that is going to work. I have something for you that is going to work, okay? But you need to get in and you need to learn how to master the trade because, again, it doesn't matter if the market is up, if the market is down, if we're at war, if there's famine, the XYZ. It doesn't matter if ... Throw whatever the heck you want into there. I show you every single day that this works. And if you are not inside my Telegram group, then you definitely want to get in there because I show examples all the time. Look at this one. This was just yesterday, and this was a perfect one. This was literally a perfect one. We have the CCI that went up right here. I'm referring to the second to last candle right here. CCI went up and the Williams went down and we were in the money. We're also in the money on the second one, but I'm specifically referring to this one, okay? And it's only 5 seconds. Imagine just making whatever you need to in just 5 seconds. And if you want to learn how to do this, if you're not in my Telegram group already, then you need to get in. And if you're in my Telegram group, but you haven't gotten the masterclass, you need to reach out to me at Ask Kristen. If you already did the masterclass, but you want to learn everything else about support, resistance, the foundation, golden setups, etc., then you need to join the mentorship, okay? And you can do all of this just by reaching out to me, but you can learn how to do this without spending a penny just by jumping into my Telegram group, okay? It is free. It's free. Not only is this free, where I give you all these examples and we have polls and yes, I also freaking lose, okay? I lose all the time, but guess what? I win more than I lose, okay? But I do show my losses because people are like, oh, you show all these wins, but you don't show your losses. Yeah, I definitely do. I show my losses. I don't hold anything back, okay? Anywho, the entire point here is that you can learn how to do this. It is very simple, and the time is now, because if you wait, you're going to wait to just do, what are you waiting for? And yeah, here are 3 pages of tons of losses that I had. This was all in one day, and guess what? At the end of the day, I was up 1,000. So anywho, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed yet, you need to, because this is where you're going to learn how to put money in your pocket.